Ortonio, yesterday and today, paulit-ulit mong sinasabi na wala kang participation sa disbursement and implementation of the confidential funds. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
So hindi mo rin alam kung talagang saan ginamit yung confidential funds, kung anong programa dinisburse ito. Tama ba?
Objection. Objection, Your Honor.
What is the ground?
Not
Attorney
covered by
Cristina?
the cross.
Let's give her sufficient leeway, counsel. This is one of the questions in the minds of the senator judges. Just to clarify, you may answer it, Mr. Ortonio.
No, I would not have any personal knowledge.
So hindi mo rin alam, based on your personal knowledge, na yung confidential funds ay hindi ginastos sa regular programs under the Good Governance Program. Tama ba? Kasi wala kang sabi mo, wala kang participation, wala kang personal knowledge kung saan dinisburse yung confidential funds. Tama ba?
Based on my understanding, ma'am.
Wala ka ring personal knowledge kung paano in-implement ang confidential funds. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
So hindi mo rin masasabi based on your personal knowledge na yung confidential funds ay ginastos sa mga programa other than the so-called regular programs of the Good Governance Program.
Objection, Your Honor.
What is the ground, Christine?
Misleading, Your Honor. The witness did not say that the confidential funds were spent on the good governance programs of the OVP.
That was not the point, Attorney Christine. Witness may answer. If the presiding officer may, Mr. Ortonio, kung wala kang personal na kaalaman kung paano ginastos yung confidential fund, edi wala ka ring personal na kaalaman kung ginastos sa regular na programa ng OVP yung confidential fund.
I do not have any personal knowledge, sir, on how the confidential funds was implemented,
At all.
sir.
Kung saan napunta yon, wala kang alam.
No, sir.
Kung napunta
I
man sa tama o mali, madumi o malinis, wala kang alam.
I would have no personal knowledge, sir.
Okay. Your
Earlier,
witness, counsel.
tinanong ka din, bakit nag-change yung program, the PPAs, for the 2023 PFP? When I say PPAs, I'm referring to the projects, plans, and activities. Tinanong ka kanina kung bakit yung programs, plans, and activities under the 2023 PPA naging socio-economic delivery program na dati under the 2022 PFP, ito ay good governance program. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The way I understand the
Wait.
question, ma'am.
Wait lang. Ito yung tanong, Mr. Ortonio. Ang sabi mo kanina, nag-change ng PPA sa 2023 PFP para makover ang mas marami pang programa. Tama ba?
Ma'am, I'll clarify, ma'am.
Wait,
I
Mr. Ortonio, please just answer my question with a yes or no.
answered, ma'am.
Your Honor,
Let the witness answer, Attorney May.
thank you.
I answered the question earlier, ma'am, in the context of why there was a change from good governance to socio-economic delivery in the context of what is reflected in the GAA. So that's how I answered it, ma'am.
Pero you will confirm na wala ka ring participation dun sa pag-identify, sa pag-prepare ng PFP. Meron ka bang participation?
For the PFP, ma'am, no.
Okay. Kanina tinanong ka rin tungkol sa petition for review na final ng OVP sa COA. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will confirm that this petition for review was denied by the COA. Tama ba?
And yes, ma'am, and
Yes.
subject for motion for reconsideration.
Ibig sabihin, nang dininay ito ng COA, yung COA, it stood pat with its earlier decision, with its earlier findings. Tama ba?
Your Honor,
If he knows, counsel.
Yes, ma'am, but then again,
Yes.
subject for the filing of motion for reconsideration.
Sinabi mo din kanina na wala kang participation sa drafting ng liquidation. Wala kang participation sa drafting ng request. Wala kang participation sa drafting ng liquidation documents. Wala kang participation sa disbursement. Wala kang participation sa recording. Kasi ang may gawa nito ay si Ginang Acosta, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Naalala mo
That's
yun?
correct.
You will confirm na ikaw, ang Chief of Staff, at ang Vice President, ang 3 top officers ng OVP. Tama ba?
As Assistant Chief of Staff, ma'am. Yes.
So, kaya kayong tatlo, kayo yung top 3 officers ng OVP. Assistant Chief of Staff, and the Vice President herself. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sinabi mo na wala kang alam tungkol dun sa mga bagay na yon. At sinasabi rin ng Chief of Staff na wala rin siyang alam tungkol sa mga bagay na ito. So, tama bang sabihin na among
Your
the three
Honor,
of you, si Vice President lang ang nakakaalam?
Let her finish the question. Witness will not answer the question until the objection is ruled upon by the chair. Finish your question, Attorney May.
Done, Your Honor.
Attorney Christine, what's your objection?
Misleading, Your Honor, and vague. First of all, the Chief of Staff has not yet testified with regard to the confidential funds.
Well, Attorney Christine, the court took judicial notice of the proceedings in the House of Representatives where the Chief of Staff, Attorney Lopez, testified, and I went through the TSN, and such statements were made along those lines by the Chief of Staff of the Vice President. Witness may answer.
Ma'am, can I be clarified with the question? Can you repeat the question, please?
Okay. Kanina, sinabi mo na ang top 3 officers ng OVP ay ikaw, as Assistant Chief of Staff, ang Chief of Staff, at ang Vice President herself. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ngayon, sinabi mo na wala kang alam tungkol sa drafting ng liquidation reports. Tama ba? Wala ka ring alam sa disbursement ng confidential funds. Wala ka ring alam tungkol sa recording relative to the confidential funds. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ito rin yung naging posisyon ng Chief of Staff. Wala rin siyang alam tungkol sa mga bagay na to. Ngayon, tama bang sabihin na dahil kayong tatlo, ang top 3 na officers or officials ng Office of the Vice President, si Vice President lamang ang may alam tungkol dito sa mga bagay na to?
Objection.
What's the ground, Christine?
Speculative, Your Honor.
If you know, Your Honor, again, Your Honor, we don't want to belabor this point, Your Honor, but Defense Counsel keeps bringing us back to this point, Your Honor. The question does not become speculative simply because it's couched in a what if question, Your Honor. And besides, Your Honor, this honorable court has already ruled and has already directed the witness to
Your Honor,
answer, Your Honor.
the counsel would want the witness to speculate on the state of mind of the Vice President.
No, Your Honor. Let me answer it in 2 points, Your Honor.
Please, counsel, briefly.
Yes, it's not speculative, Your Honor, because there was already an admission that they are the top 3 officials of the OVP. Now, the answer would be based on that admission, so it's not speculative. The question would only be speculative. It's completely conjectural, Your Honor. And second, Your Honor, the only reason
Then-
I repeated the answer because the witness himself requested me to repeat, but prior to me repeating the question, the Honorable Presiding Officer has already made a ruling. Your Honor, we will be squandering away time if every time I would repeat the question, the Defense Counsel would all of a sudden invoke another ground for objection.
Your Honor,
We're about to break for lunch, so let's end it on a good note.
Yes, but
Finally, Attorney Christine.
I will revise my objection, Your Honor. Incompetent.
Allow me, counsels. Base sa testimonya mo, Ginoong Ortonio, wala kang alam sa paggastos, pag-liquidate, pag-disburse ng confidential fund. Tama?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Sabi ni Gina Acosta, wala rin siyang alam. Tama? Alam mo ba yan? Na wala rin siyang alam sa paggastos ng confidential fund at kung paano ito niliquidate. Would you know that?
Based on what I have read
Na
in
testimonya
news,
niya?
Yes, sir.
Base sa pagkakaalam mo, alam ba ng Vice President kung paano ito ginastos?
The way I understand it, sir, as the head of agency, I would understand that she knows the implementation, sir.
Yes. So si Colonel Lachica, alam din siyempre.
Yes, sir. As the security officer, I would
So
assume,
sa
sir.
loob ng opisina ng OVP, si VP Sara, as head of agency, lang ang nakakaalam. Ikaw bilang assistant chief of staff, yung chief of staff mismo, walang alam. At si Colonel Lachica, na ayon sa katanungan ni Senator Judge Soto kanina lang, na hindi naman bahagi ng opisina ng OVP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That would be all for redirect, Your Honor.
Do you have a short recross, Attorney Christine?